Hi there. Let's go through a brief overview of how to manage and update your activation code in Jamf Pro. Before we begin, please note that your activation code is found in Jamf Account, so be sure to have access to an account that's associated with your organization's subscription to Jamf Pro. From the Jamf Pro dashboard, navigate to Settings, System, Activation Code. Click Edit in the bottom right. Here we can update the name of the organization that owns the license, view the expiration date, and verify licensing information. We can see that my demo instance's activation code has expired, so let's open a new tab or browser window and navigate to account.jamf.com. Sign in with the Jamf ID that's associated with your organization's Jamf Pro subscription. Once signed in, navigate to Products on the left. At the top is a list of any Jamf products you have and their renewal dates. Click View next to Jamf Pro. Let's click the Copy button next to the activation code and then head back to Jamf Pro. Paste the code into the activation code field and then click Save on the bottom right. Once saved, your expiration date and licensing information will be updated based on your new activation code. Thanks for watching.